Hey traders, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. You're looking at a chart of EDIT, Edidas Medicine. We're looking for a short trade at 2271. This trade was given out to my subscribers that get my gap trades each and every morning at 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 30 minutes before the market opens. I'm looking to enter the trade on the short side at 2271. This is a resistance point. This was given out at 9 o'clock in the morning. What I do is teach a course, and in the course, I teach exactly how to do what you're about to see here, hopefully. This stock should reach 2271, maybe pierce through it by a few pennies, and then have a pullback, and that's exactly what we're looking for. That's exactly what I teach in my course. Here we go. 2270. I'm not in yet. Okay. Okay, I got filled. 2271. All right, so we went up a little bit, and we should pull back here. This is a very good level. It's a resistance point. This was given out to traders as part of my service where I give my gap trades each and every morning. I also teach exactly what you're seeing here, and this is a nice pullback so far. Oh, look at that. Awesome, awesome pullback. So the stock should probably bounce around here a little bit. I'm looking for a little bit more than a bread box out of this trade. I'm looking for at least 50 cents on the first half of the trade. And what I'll do is I'll take half the trade off and I'll look for a little bit more with a break-even stop or in-the-money stop. I teach exactly this strategy within my course on how to turn trades like this into a risk-free trading opportunity. So what we do is we like to take some of the trade off and let the rest run because some of these can be very, very big gainers throughout the day, and that's what I'm looking for on this particular trade. Everything you're seeing here is taught in my course at LazyGapTrader.com. What you're also seeing is where stocks are gapping higher or lower at the open, they tend to be drawn to certain particular trade levels or certain price levels, and then they have a price reaction at those levels, and everything you're seeing is taught in my course at LazyGapTrader.com. I'm going to take this trade, half of the trade off at $22.25, and then I'm going to let the rest run for a little bit more of a gain after that. So this is a good trade so far, in the money. It's a nice pullback. This is a very, very good resistance point at 2271. If you want to learn how to do this, you have to come over to LazyGapTrader.com. I teach everything you need to know in order to trade two specific gap trading strategies. The morning gap trades and also gap fill trades. That's a secondary strategy I teach in my course. All right, so now the next candle open, I happen to have a 10-minute chart up on the screen. Doesn't really matter for these gap trades which chart you like to look at. 5-minute chart, 10-minute chart, 3-minute chart. Doesn't make any difference. Look at that. Nice pullback. I want to get filled at 22.25 on the first half of the trade. I'm not filled yet. There's a little bit of a spread in this stock. The spread is 22.25 by 22.38 right now. All right. Looking to get filled, not filled yet. It's kind of hanging around. I need a little bit of a dip right here. Looking for a dip below 22.25 on the bid. I should get filled. That's where we're sitting right now. There we go. Okay, I'm filled on the first half. Now, look at that. Nice. I've got a risk-free trade on because I'm putting, bear with me, I'm putting a break-even or in-the-money stop. Okay. So I can't lose on this trade. It's just a matter of how much I'm going to make. So on the second half of the trade, I'm not sure exactly right now how much I'm going to take or how much I'm looking for just yet, but I think it's going to come down below $22. I'm actually looking for probably $1 on the second half of the trade, 22. We'll just call it 22.75. But nevertheless, everything you see here is exactly what's taught in my course at LazyGapTrader.com. I teach you how to calculate these trade levels. This one happened to be a short trade. We obviously have long trades where we're looking for support levels. This was a resistance point, and at that resistance point, we were looking for a price reaction in the other direction. I've got other trades on the board. I'm going to end this video. I'm David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. Come over to check out the course, folks. It's a license to learn a strategy where you can trade the gaps for the rest of your trading career. I teach you everything you need to know. I'm David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. Come check it out, folks.